Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making zobo juice, that's hibiscus flower juice, and we're washing it, put it in the pot, wash it thoroughly, put it in the pot, and we add our clove, we add our ginger and our pineapple fruit for that flavor, that natural flavor. Yes, we add our water and we put on the fire, and it's boiling. Put it for some minutes, it's boiling, and yo, it's ready. So guys, you can see that cup there and the zobo juice. We use the cup to scoop it out and we sieve. Yes, you can see the little sieve there and the bowl for the extract. So guys, yes, I have to make do with what I have in my kitchen. Okay, so yeah, we'll put it in there. Let's go guys. So you can see guys, we use the cup to scoop it and we sieve. We pour into the sieve and yeah, we pour it. Yo, it's sieving. Our juice is getting ready. It's gonna be ready in a bit. So it is sieving. Yes, we pour it thoroughly in and we use our spoon to press it so the juice will enter properly. It will enter inside very well, and you press it very well. And yay, our juice is here. We clean the table thoroughly, and yeah, that's our juice. So guys, that is it. We have to add our sugar extract. So I use jelly juice for mine, and then that is it. We add it and we stir. Yeah, so it will mix properly, and then we pour it inside our jug to put in the fridge to cool. Or if you have some ice cubes, you can put it to yours before drinking. Zobo juice is very healthy, very good for the body. Yes, we have to put it there. The table, we have to clean where we messed up, and yeah, that is it. Our juice is ready.
Later.
So guys, you pour out the juice and it's ready to drink. Yeah. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit on the notification bell, and subscription is absolutely free. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.